Hello and welcome. This is our project, the Cuboid and Sphere Properties Calculator. We use it to calculate either a sphere's properties or a cuboid's. First of all, we have the welcome screen. From here, you can click on Sphere to go to the Sphere's Properties Calculator, or you can click on Cuboid and go to the Cuboid Properties Calculator. And then you could also click on the credit label and see the credits for the concept, code, and design. So once you click on Sphere Properties Calculator, you could input a radius and then press on the button to calculate the volume and the surface area of that sphere. And then you could click back to go to the main menu. If you click the cuboid label, it would introduce you to this view. You insert the length, width, and height, and then you click on the calculate button. It would give you the volume of the cuboid and the surface area. And then you could click also back to go back to the main menu. Here you could see our code. Here we specify the length and width and height, and then the volume and area. And here's the function, and inside the function it has the length and width and height and values, and then it calculates the volume and the surface area and displays them on the labels. For the sphere, you have the radius and the volume and surface area. Here it takes the radius and takes pi, which we give it, and then calculates the volume and then calculates the surface area, and then displays it on the labels. And here we can see the app in action. Here you could click on either sphere or cuboid or go to the credits. Let's start by the sphere. You click on sphere, then you insert the radius. For example, let's say 5, and then you click on calculate. It will give you the volume and the surface area. And going back and clicking on cuboid, you give it a length, for example a 2, and then the width 3, and a height 6. And then you click on calculate and give it the volume, which is 36, and surface area, which is 72. And clicking back now, take you to the main menu again. And then finally you could click on credit and it will show you the concept, code, and design. And thank you.